Today, I will be doing a housing swap on an iPhone 7 Plus. I'll start by powering off both phones. Then I'll take out the pentalobe screws and heat up the display. Next, I can insert my metal pry tool and picks and work my way around the display. Be sure to go slow and not rip any cables. Then I'll unscrew the brackets and disconnect to the battery and then remove the display. After that, I begin removing all the screws and disconnecting all the ribbon cables. After everything is disconnected, we can take out the SIM card tray and remove the logic board. Now it's time to do the same process to the other phone. Again, make sure to go slow. Be sure to keep all of the screws organized. Next, I clean off the old adhesive from the housing. Now we can move on to swapping the home button. Be sure to go super slow, as if you break it, you lose Touch ID. After doing a test power up to make sure everything works, we can move on. Now it's time to do a battery replacement. Start by carefully removing the pull tabs. Once they are all out, we can put the new battery in. Before putting it fully into place, I'll do a test power on. Once that works, we can shut it down again and install the waterproofing seal. Next, we install the display and brackets and boot up the phone one last time. Seeing it boots, we can now fully seal it up. And that's it. One 128GB red iPhone 7 Plus complete. Huge thanks to both iFixit and Wireless Alliance. They have helped a ton and do amazing work in the repair industry. I use iFixit parts, tools, and guides all the time, and Wireless Alliance keeps thousands of phones out of the landfill each year. Be sure to check out their site below on how you can trade in your device. And as always, if you liked the video and want to see more, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.